Hello guys, welcome to e-learning skills, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create your PowerPoint presentations using Microsoft Office app. So I'm going to open this app. It is free for charge and you can download it from the Play Store. Click on this plus button, and this app has variety of features that you can use that are really free to use. So we have here so many you can create using Word, Excel, and today I'm going to use PowerPoint. So I will click on this PowerPoint, and the first thing you can see, you can choose pictures from your gallery, or you can create an outline preview, or if you click on blank presentation you can start your own presentation, or we can choose from the created templates. So I'm going to click on this created templates, and we are going to see which kind of templates does this app provide. So we have so variety of them. If you doesn't want to use blank presentation, you can use the following presentation as you can see here. So all you just need to do, you just need to click to any of them and then you start using it. So this is Microsoft Office app. I will use this known as Droplet. Click on it and then it will start creating. So this is the presentation window that has appeared. So all you just need to do, as you can see, the first has been, as you're being told from this presentation, double tap to add title. So the title that I can add here, how you can add title, you just double tap. After double tapping here, the keyboard key will appear here, so I can write how to create PowerPoint presentation in your phone. So after that, we have variety of styles here. So I can click on this bold, and then you can click on this upward arrow here, whereby we can change the font style, the font size. If you want the font size, for example, I can put 20 like that. The font style, you can click here where it is written headings, and here it is going to provide variety of font styles and you can choose from them. So if I can choose this here, this is the presentation font style that I can use. There is color, which kind of color. If you want variety of colors are here. If I want this color, I can use that color here. There's bulleting, numbering, and all other functions that Microsoft has. So we can increase this PowerPoint size heading, let me say up to here 24, like that. And then even apart from that, all you can just need to do, if you want to add another, let's say, slide, you can click on this plus button. If you click on plus button, another presentation is going to appear. And if it doesn't want to use this format, you can click on this upward arrow, then come where is written layout, and you can choose layout. The layout that we are using now is title and content layout, and we have variety of layout here. And now if you want blank layout, I can click on this blank and the blank layout is going to come. So all you just need to do then next, if you want to add a text box, there's here a plus button here that has a green color, you can, that has blue color, you can click on that and then the text box is going to appear, and then you can write your words here. So this is how you can use a Microsoft presentation app to create your presentation in your phone. So apart from that, also it has so many features. As you can see, even if you want, maybe let's say for example this title here, if I want to justify this title here, let's say for example I can put at the center like that, or like that. I can leave like that. We have so variety of options. So apart from that, Even if you want to use bulletins, if you want to use numbers, all of them are included in this app. Let's say, for example, I add new slide, and in this new slide, yes, I want a blank slide. If I want to add a shape, you click here on shapes. We have variety of shapes here. You can choose any of the shapes that you want to use here into your PowerPoint presentation slide. Let's say, for example, this, you can resize up to the size you want, like that. If I want to change the color, the outline of the color, for example, can put black. Fill color, I can put let's say, for example, no fill, and like that. You can create so variety of items using your phone, using this presentation app. So don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.